NCR, meanwhile, has witnessed massive surge in COVID cases compared to last month, one of the worst-hit cities being Gurugram, which has reported the highest cases in the state of Haryana. The city has witnessed over 1,000 cases in the last 24 hours. The spike, in turn, has led to shortage of beds in the big private hospitals. Most of the beds at the top private hospitals are occupied, with only 255 ICU beds and 161 ventilator beds available for patients as of today.
I think the infectivity seems to be higher. Earlier there used to be 2-3 people in family who used to get infected. What we are seeing is the entire families are getting infected, and that is why the demand has suddenly surged very much. However, we are also requesting people to be mindful of, making sure that they need the hospital bed and then only come for admission. There are also a lot of people with milder symptoms, and there is an initial panic that happens after the COVID report, and many of them really do not need the admission. So in discussion with the district administration, we are also strictly adhering to the clinical guidelines and making sure that we are able to prioritize patients who need the beds first.
Okay, so when they come over here, then you give them some counseling kind of thing, their attendance or you on the phone?
Yes, so we are also encouraging a lot of video consults. So typically when somebody calls us, we encourage people to connect with a doctor on a video consult, get a clinical initial assessment done, and also start the initial treatment. There is always a guideline that anybody with oxygen saturation falling below a certain level, as guided by the doctor, should report to the emergency anyway, where they are assessed. We have these displayed clinical guidelines on what the admission criteria will be, and anyone who's meeting the admission criteria will then queued up for admission.
Mirana also spoke to Zonal Director of Fortis Memorial and Research Institute, Ritu Garg, who says that the COVID beds are filling up fast and they are left with 140 beds only at the moment. She added that the hospital is now admitting only seriously ill patients.
COVID surge is in district Gurugram, and we are witnessing more than 7,000 active cases. And if we talk of April, in month itself, we have near about 10,000 cases in 14 days. But as far as the report regarding, as you are mentioning regarding shortage of beds, then I am totally disagree this point, because we have adequate number of beds, ICU, ventilator bed. We have around 2,500 COVID beds and around 500 ICU beds and more than 300 ventilators. So as far as concern of district Gurugram, we have only 462 admitted patients right now. And if you talk that everybody wants Medanta, Fortis, Artemis, then it's not so. Yeah, if we have at present we have no shortage of any ICU.
You mean to say that the people, those who are preferring these hospitals, they can go to other hospitals as well? There are the beds.
Surely. For COVID protocol guidelines and treatment guidelines are same throughout, whether it is a government setup or private setup.
After Delhi, Noida, Ghaziabad, now Gurugram is also showing the same kind of trend, where most of the people are depending on the major private hospital. In fact, Medanta, Fortis, Max, all are running with full capacity. I am standing outside Medanta Hospital. Here they are getting 40 to 50 calls daily for the beds, and many of the beds are occupied. So definitely the hospitals in Gurugram are also facing lot of problem regarding the admission of the patients. Although the government, the administration of the Gurugram is saying that there is no shortage of beds, there are many beds are vacant in government and various other small private hospitals, but people are still going to these big hospitals. So similar trend is being witnessed here in Gurugram as well. As far as the cases are concerned, cases are also very high as compared to other districts of Haryana. In fact, for 4-5 days, daily on an average 1,000 cases, more than 1,000 cases are coming in Gurugram. So definitely it's a cause of concern for the administration of Gurugram, and that is why they have decided, and in fact some of the hospitals have been asked to increase the number of COVID beds in Gurugram. With video journalist Harinder, I am Alok for Mirror Now.